Hello, today on Quick Tips we're going to look very quickly at how to calculate variation for a specific time and place. Okay, so let's have a look at ChartCam. Here we can see a purple compass rose. The true north lines up and is parallel with the longitude, the meridian of longitude, and then magnetic north points towards magnetic north, which in this case is just west of true north by just over 3 degrees west. That was in 2003, and it moved easterly at 9 minutes per annum. It's now 2020, so there's 17 years moving 9 minutes east, which gives us a change in variation. And that change of variation, when applied to the original variation when the chart was published, shows that we have very little in the way of variation in 2020 in this area. So hopefully that's useful to you. Speak soon. I do hope you found this short video tutorial useful. If you did, please click the like button. This helps promote the video in YouTube's search engine. And if you've got any tips or experience you'd like to share, or you have an idea for a video you'd like me to produce next, let me know in the comments section below. And if you aren't already a subscriber, consider subscribing, and remember to click the little bell so you are notified when I release my next video. There are various links that might be of interest to you in the description section right under this video, but until next time, sail safe.
It does take a long time to pat the boat down and get it in.